Welcome to another TOEFL listening practice video. In this video, you will listen to a lecture, answer some questions about it, review the correct answers and explanations. Don't forget to subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice.
Welcome to today's lecture on a topic that profoundly shapes our daily lives: the impact of social media on modern society. For decades, traditional media like newspapers, radio, and television were the primary conduits of information and public discourse. However, with the advent of the Internet, and subsequently social media platforms, this landscape has undergone a revolutionary transformation. Let's begin by acknowledging the undeniable benefits. Social media has democratized information dissemination. Events, whether global crises or local happenings, are instantly shared, often in real time, by ordinary citizens. This has led to a more informed populace and, in many instances, has empowered social and political movements by facilitating rapid organization and awareness campaigns. Think of the role social media played in the Arab Spring or various global environmental initiatives. Furthermore, these platforms have fostered unprecedented levels of connectivity, allowing individuals to maintain relationships across vast distances and build communities based on shared interests, transcending geographical boundaries. For businesses, social media has opened up entirely new avenues for marketing, customer engagement, and brand building. However, the rapid proliferation of social media is not without its significant drawbacks and challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is the spread of misinformation and disinformation. The sheer volume of content, coupled with algorithms designed to prioritize engagement, can inadvertently amplify false narratives, making it difficult for users to discern truth from fiction. This has profound implications for public trust in institutions and can even polarize societies. Another critical issue is the impact on mental health. Studies increasingly point to a correlation between excessive social media use and increased rates of anxiety, depression, and feelings of inadequacy, particularly among younger demographics. The constant exposure to curated, often idealized versions of others' lives can lead to social comparison and a sense of missing out, or FOMO. Moreover, privacy concerns are paramount. Users often unwittingly surrender vast amounts of personal data, which can then be exploited for targeted advertising or, more nefariously, for manipulation. The very algorithms that connect us can also create echo chambers, reinforcing existing beliefs and limiting exposure to diverse perspectives, thereby hindering critical thinking and open dialogue. In conclusion, social media is a double-edged sword. It offers immense potential for connection, empowerment, and information sharing, but it also presents significant risks related to misinformation, mental health, and privacy. Understanding these complexities is crucial as we navigate an increasingly digital world. The challenge for us, as individuals and as a society, is to harness its positive potential while mitigating its inherent dangers through media literacy, critical engagement, and responsible platform design.
One. What is the main purpose of this lecture? Two. According to the lecturer, which of the following is a direct benefit of social media in terms of information dissemination? Three. Why does the lecturer mention the Arab Spring or various global environmental initiatives? 4. What is the lecturer's overall attitude towards the future of social media? 5. What connection does the lecturer make between social media algorithms and critical thinking? 6. What can be inferred about the lecturer's recommendation for navigating the digital world effectively?